Now you may recognize the top here as the end of a creaser, a manual creaser. So a zoomed up view of it. On the inside we have a hollow groove, okay? And this isn't just a square groove, it's actually a U-shaped groove. And the idea is as you press this up against the edge of your leather, you don't just get a crease line, you get a nice curve from the edge of the crease line to where the crease actually is. So it gives you that domed effect on the edge. Now, every so often, it gets a little bit dirty on the inside and requires some polishing. So not just cleaning, a little bit of polishing too. So, a trusty piece of string, pull through some polishing compound, in this case some green polishing compound. I've put it into the hobby vise here, a little small tabletop clamp, and I'm simply going to polish it by pulling backwards and forwards, 30 seconds a minute, that's all you really need. You can pull it to one side and then the other if the creasing head is a little bit larger than the thread, or the string in this case. And all we're doing is imparting a nice polish so that when we push it along our leather, not only is it smooth, but it's also imparting that smooth edge to your leather at the same time. And once you've completed, you should start to get a little bit more of a shine. So I'll probably go for another minute or so just to get that shined up. And it also makes it easier to clean if ever it gets clogged up. So that's the tip of the day. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to comment below. And if you do have any extra tips on creasing or some of the methods that you use, again, comment below and share it with the community.